A lot of people love consuming bananas, but they need to be aware about some things the next time they buy them. A completely ripe banana produces TNF, tumor necrosis factor, substance which fights against abnormal cells. The more dark spots or patches a banana has, the more ripe it is. Ripe banana is more beneficial for improving the immune system. Japanese scientists have also confirmed that TNF found in banana helps against cancer in a way that it boosts the immunity. So with consuming bananas, certain diseases and tumors can be prevented. It is also proven that the fruit content changes as it becomes riper. That is why as the banana is riper it becomes more yellow, and the antioxidant level increases. In a ripe, with black spots banana, the starch turns into sugar, which is easier to digest. Japanese scientists in their experiment have also found that the banana produces TNF, anti-cancer substance, increased number of white blood cells, and improves the immune system. It is recommended to consume 1 to 2 bananas a day to boost the immunity. Bananas with brown spots are proven to be healthier than the ones with green peel, or the fresh ones with no patches or spots. Cancer cells can be defeated with the help of TNF. The impact that the banana has on the body is linked with the one of lentinin, which stimulates the immunity, and is also known as anti-cancer agent. To conclude, ripe banana contains anti-cancer properties, because it triggers the white blood cells formation and prevents cell mutations. Note: in order to prevent vitamin loss, place the fully ripe bananas in a fridge, or consume fresh bananas with dark spots immediately.